Most of the individuals that are referred to the Community Health Hub are folks who are chronically unhoused. Most of them are folks who struggling with substance use disorder, folks who are in unhealthy relationships. And we're happy to be able to meet them where they are. In order to be able to work with this population, it's important to establish trust. And the number one way to establish trust is showing up for these folks in their time of need. My name is Dustin Daniel, and I'm a community health specialist at PeaceHealth Southwest Medical Center. Growing up with parents who were nurses and working with the population that they work with taught me a lot about, for one, patience, how to meet people where they are, being able to understand the backstory. There's a reason why people are struggling with their health. And I learned that based on the stories that they shared with me. First started working with underserved youth back in 2015. On the first day of school, I was introduced to this young lady. I went and introduced myself to her, and she kind of blew me off. But because every day I would show up and say hello to her and speak to her and connect with her, she started to realize that I was going to be there, and she began to trust me. And eventually, when she graduated, she told me she wanted to pursue a degree in social work, mainly because of the relationship that her and I had and the impact that I had on her life. Currently, I'm a community health specialist, and I work here in the Community Hub. In the Community Health Hub, we believe in advocating for folks who are in need. We believe in meeting people where they are. We don't judge them, and whenever they're ready, we're here for them. For a person who is unhoused and sleeping on the street, these individuals have no doubt endured some level of trauma. Having somebody walk alongside them in a non-judgmental fashion can be incredibly healing and can be something that encourages them to make that step towards reclaiming their joy and happiness in life.
I do think that Dustin really exemplifies and lives out his values by showing up every day, not giving up on people, but really figuring out where the barriers are and making sure that we're fulfilling our mission.
A quote that really sticks with me, that really guides the work that I do now, is that this is hard work, but it's also heart work. Our folks who are in the hub realize when someone truly, genuinely cares about them, and your heart must be in it to come across as genuine and authentic. People underestimate the importance of just showing up on a consistent basis. You make an impact on people, the people that you're trying to serve. When they know that they can find you, when they know that you're reliable, they'll trust you. And trust is the essential building block of getting anyone the help that they need.